Okay, let's go to this one. Hey, can I take a picture of you guys? All that one. Guys, stand up there, take a picture on that one. Hey, look at mommy. Let's follow, ma'am. Magsama-sama tayo, ma'am. Yan, mawala. Okay, take a picture. Uncle Dilana. Guys, can you take a picture with your sister? Ang kulit nyo ah. Ayan na. Can you take a picture, honey? Oh, can you take us a picture? Come on now, just us. Yeah, us. You're grumpy. Stop now, stop now. Okay, let's go around. Okay, Napalo. Wala na laman yung bag ni mother. Oh yeah, lilipad yan. No, that's Julene. La. You wanna try? Give it now. It's gonna fly. Yeah, do it too. Yeah. Oh, Jilana, you wanna ride this one? You wanna ride it? Oh, who wanna ride that one? Wanna ride that one? Oh, Julene, that's the military one. You wanna ride that one? Why you guys are being like? You try it. Just try it.
Get on the four-wheel?
Just try that one. Give it to grandma.
What do you want to do?
Yay! Good job. There you go. Gilana, you wanna ride it? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Okay, Gilana. Come on, next. See, go ride, anak. See, ang bagal niyo. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh, just wait.
It doesn't say what it is though.
Okay, Jilana, go. Good girl. Are you driving? Where are you going? To the Tundra? Good girl. Hey guys, save that one because once you sit there, you cannot buy any more food. So just save it. I know, but they're like non-stop eat. Let's go around it. If you, Julene, you guys not saving it? Yeah, right. Oh, look at that. This is how they do. They camouflage. See? They camouflage. Hey, honey, can we go to that one? See? Jilana, let's go around it. See? See here. Okay, come on. Follow mommy. Saan na si Jeff?
Oh, wow. You want to handle these?